If your Chrome browser feels slow, pages are loading strangely, or a website is not showing the latest version, clearing the cache can often fix it in just a few seconds. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear the cache in Chrome step by step, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along whether you're on a laptop or desktop. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in here. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three dots menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its main settings and controls. From the drop-down menu, go down and click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the left side or scroll until you find Privacy and Security. Click that section because this is where Chrome stores the options for managing your browsing data, cookies, and cache. Now, inside Privacy and Security, click Clear Browsing Data. This will open in a new window with different options for deleting stored browser information. Here, you want to make sure you select cached images and files. You can leave the other options unchecked if your goal is only to clear the cache and not delete things like saved passwords or browsing history. After selecting cached images and files, take a quick moment to confirm the time range if needed, then click Clear Data. Chrome will remove the stored cached files, which can help refresh websites and free up some browser space. Depending on how much data is stored, it may take a moment to finish. Once it's done, you can close the tab and reload the website you were having trouble with. In many cases, you'll notice pages load properly again, and any old content that was stuck in the browser cache will be gone. So that's it. You've now cleared the cache in Chrome in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.